In this video, we're going to talk about how to fix TikTok account permanently banned. Now, the main reason that your account of TikTok is banned because you've violated the community guidelines. You may have posted something inappropriate, or you may have done something that led TikTok to ban your account. Now, if you haven't done anything against the community guidelines of TikTok, you can straight appeal this problem to TikTok. But if you had done something previously and it says your account is permanently banned, you cannot do anything about it because you had willingly violated their community guidelines. So you won't be able to recover it anyways. But if you haven't, you can just open up a web browser and search for TikTok contact. Once you do that, you can open up the first option, which should be contact, and tap on this option, which is support.tiktok.com. and you'll land on this interface. But now what you need to do is tap on the search bar up top and search for banned. Once you search for banned, it's going to give you a few results. Tap on content violation and bans. Now once you tap on that, it's again going to give you some of the community guidelines and other things. You just scroll past it. If you scroll down a bit, on the last article you'll see this option, and under this option you'll see appeal directly from the app. Now you can tap on this option. Now it's going to give you a detailed article on what you need to do. So it says contacting TikTok about banned accounts. So if your account was banned, once you open up the app of TikTok, it's going to give you a notification from where you can first open up the notification as it says here and tap on appeal and follow the instructions that are given. Now I cannot show you exactly what you need to do on the instructions because my account was not banned, but if yours was, you can just follow the instructions that have been given to you. So first open up your app, you will have a notification banner and you just tap on appeal. Now once you appeal and give the exact reason that you're facing, your account should be recovered, given back to you by TikTok. But if you did violate the community guidelines, you won't have that account back anymore. So that sums it up for today. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe, share, and give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next one.